What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be fishing Googan baits only, and it's going to be the crawfish and the lunker logs, and let's get into it. I have to catch at least 2 fish on each bait, so I'm going to start casting to see if I can get anything. So guys, I'm starting out with the crawdad first, and I'm going to work this bank right here to the left of me, and I'm going to keep going up and around and see if I can get anything. But if I don't catch anything on this bank, I'm going to go over to the dock and cast around that side, because I usually catch fish over there. Let's get into it. First fish on the crawdad. Finally, I was getting messed with, honestly. Little dinky. It's getting released. Here he goes. Okay guys, so I just caught the last fish on the crawdad, so now I'm going to move on to the lunker log. I'm going to throw it weightless, and then I'm going to put a weight on it after, if I catch a fish on it. There he goes. Okay guys, so this is the first fish on the lunker log, weightless. Let's give him a release. There he goes. So this is the 4th and final fish for the Googan bait only challenge. Here he is. Pretty good fish. There he goes. Thanks for watching, guys. So make sure while you're heading out, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.